So to add JavaScript to HTML page, we have three options: internal, external, and inline JavaScript. Let's go through each of them for clarification. I'm using Visual Studio Code as a text editor. I will create index.html file. Inside that, I'm going to use HTML5 snippet. Inside body tag, I'll create button tag. As a text, I'll type click me. I'm just going to save this. To visualize this HTML in the browser, I'm using a VS Code extension called Live Server. This extension enables us to launch a local development server with live reload. So if we look at the bottom of the page, we've got Go Live button. If we click on that, a local development server will be launched at this port. I'm just going to make a side-by-side view. So right now we've got the non-interactive click me button. When I click on that, nothing happens. So to bring the interactivity, we need JavaScript. How do we bring JavaScript? We use script tags. We can insert script tag either in the head tag or the body tag. First of all, let's try inserting script tag inside head tag. Script. I'm going to try to query the button element. Const button equal to document.querySelector button. I'm just going to console log it. When I save this, I go to Inspect, Developer Tools, Console. As we can see, it returned null. There's a reason for that, because the parser reads the code from top down. It sees the script tag first, then the button tag. That's why it returns null. To overcome this issue, we've got two solutions. The first one is the easiest one. We just take the script tag from here and attach it at the bottom of the body tag. So the parser sees the button tag first, then the script tag. As we can see, we have got the actual button element. This was the first solution, and the second solution is that we use event handlers. How do we do that? We just take it from here, insert it into the head tag. Here we'll attach an event handler, add event listener, and our event is called DOM content loaded. DOM content loaded event fires when the HTML document has been completely parsed and all default scripts have been downloaded and executed. It does not wait for other things like images, subframes, async scripts, style sheets. So if we want to detect a fully loaded page, we have to use load event, but in our case it is unnecessary. Using DOM content loaded is sufficient. So second argument is a callback function. This function gets called when the whole HTML document has been completely parsed. So inside that, I'm gonna query the button element again, document.querySelector button, and I'm create a function to handle the click event on click func. Here I'm going to use conditional statement if button.textContent equal to click me. I'll change it to button.textContent equal to clicked, and else button.textContent equal to click me. When I save this, if I click on the button, doesn't work yet because we need to attach event handler to the button element, button.addEventListener. Our event is click event, and we use this callback function on click func. If I save this, hopefully it's gonna work. As you can see, it works. Now our button element is interactive. So this was the first method, internal JavaScript. Imagine we have got hundreds lines of code inside the script tag. So this is not good. What we need to do, we just take this code. Right, I'll just copy this code. I'm gonna create a new file called script.js. Right, let's click on that. I'll just paste this here, and I'm gonna remove everything from here, and I'm gonna use source attribute. Source equal to, it's in the same directory, so I'm gonna use relative path like script.js. If I save this and go to Google, it's working again. So this is the second way, using external JavaScript, and there's left only third way, inline JavaScript. So in that case, I'm not gonna use a script tag. I'm gonna delete that. So inside a button tag, we can use onClick attribute, onClick, and we can use alert function, alert hello world. If I save this and go to Google, when I click on the button, as you can see, it works. So this is the third way, using inline JavaScript. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.